threes. I want to show you what email I send after the fact of hosting an event for a client. This email right here helps me get 5-star reviews on Google, and I want you guys to start focusing on getting 5-star reviews on Google. And I feel like this is a good gesture, so just hear me out. I'm going to use this actual email and have it as a template on the description so you guys can copy and paste and make it your own. This letter goes out to my client. It goes, "Dear John, we just want to express our sincerest thanks for choosing our 360 booth service for your recent celebration. It was an absolute pleasure to be part of your daughter's wedding and to help create unforgettable memories for you and your guests. We were thrilled to bring our unique and fun 360 booth experience to your event and are so glad we have been able to contribute to the joy of the celebration of the day. There was a grand total of 85 videos captured. We hope that you and your guests have had an amazing time and that the memories of your special occasion will last a lifetime. Thank you again for choosing us and entrusting us with helping make your celebration such a fun and memorable experience. Please utilize this link to access your gallery. The gallery will be available until January the 13th, so please download these files directly onto your laptop. You may share this link with your friends and family. It would be amazing to receive a Google review based on your personal experience. I hope your business continues to grow exponentially, John." And then that is pretty much it. Now, this email is pretty short and concise, and it touched on some personal points so that our client knows that this email was composed by us and sent to them. So I always recommend for you guys to add a personal touch to it, something that stood out or some type of engagement that was somewhat of a highlight for you guys during their event and make it really personal. I hope this gets you lots of Google reviews. Google reviews are very important. Take care, guys. And by the way, good luck on your next event.